Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm your AI Presenter Gabriel from Wondershare Virbo. Today's video is going to be very interesting. We will talk about something that sounds a bit techy, but is pretty cool and useful. But before we get into our topic, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, let's get back to the video. Have you ever wondered how those captions magically pop up in YouTube videos at the right moment? Do you know what is behind those perfectly synced texts? Well, that's the magic of an SRT file, and this video will be all about it. We will also learn how to make an SRT file with the online video editing tool, Virbo. But before jumping to how to create SRT files for subtitles, let's start with the basics. An SRT file stands for subtitle. It is like a tiny secret code that tells your video player what subtitles to show and when to show them. It is a plain text file, meaning you can even open it with a simple text editor like Notepad. Now, you might be thinking, plain text? That sounds boring. But don't let its simplicity fool you. SRT files are actually incredibly powerful and versatile. But here's the question that arises. Subtitles and SRT files are like friendly helpers for your videos. They make sure everyone can enjoy your content, no matter where they are from or if they can't hear well. Plus, search engines love them, making your videos easier to find. So, by adding subtitles and using SRT files, you're making your videos engaging for everyone. But do you know what an SRT file looks like? Remember, it's just a plain text file, but its structure is crucial for displaying captions correctly. Let's break down what each line means. The first line tells the video player which order to display the subtitles in. The second line indicates the start and end time for each subtitle segment, formatted as hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. The third line is the actual text that will appear on the video screen. Now that you have a basic understanding of their format, let's explore how to make SRT file of your own. Wondershare Virbo is the best answer when it comes to how to make an SRT file. It will help you do the job in just a few clicks. All you have to do is go to the Wondershare Virbo's video translate page by clicking the link in the description. Upload the video that you want to make an SRT file for. When the uploading is completed, choose your original video language and target language, turn on the proofread video script toggle, then, click the translate this video button. After a few seconds, your SRT file will be created. Now that you know how to make SRT file, you must want to know how to save it, right? Let's see how to do it. Saving an SRT file is as simple as creating one. There is no need for any extra tools or conversions. All you need to do is click the Download SRT button, and you will find your SRT file in your download folder. See how simple it is to create your own SRT file with Virbo. But what if someone also wants to create subtitles along with the SRT file? No worries, let us show you this as well. If you want to export a video with subtitles, Virbo gives you the option of doing so. What you are supposed to do is turn on the subtitle toggle before you click the Translate this video button. It will not only create the SRT file, but also generate the subtitles of your video. So, here you have it.
Hola a todos, Kevin aquí. Hoy vamos a ver la aplicación definitiva para editar PDF. Wondershare PDF Elemento 10.
We have shown you the easiest way of how to get SRT file from video. What are you waiting for? Go and create SRT files for your next YouTube video with Virbo. In the next video, we are going to show how to add an SRT file to a YouTube video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll always stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.